Have you ever been inside of those huge malls that are hours away on the biggest sales days of your life, like Labor Day, Black Friday, President's Day, Memorial Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's? Normally, whenever you go to these big malls on these big days, you get big sales. And it's amazing because anytime you go there, even if you buy a small item, you usually get these coupons that say $100 off on your next $300 or more purchase, or your next purchase that exceeds $500, get 50% off. And now these coupons, people safeguard it with their life. They're like, oh, next time we go here, we're definitely using this coupon. We're definitely gonna save a lot of money. And then, well, what do you know? Turns out that you never actually used that coupon. It went expired and it's just a waste now. So here is where my unique thought comes into play. But before I get there, let me take you on a quick little journey. If you've watched my previous perspective building workshop video in which I talked about Dunkin' Donuts receipt and the platform, it's going to be an expansion of that. So if you haven't watched that video before coming to this one, make sure you go check it out and it will be linked in the description box below. Anyway, if we could expand that same exact platform for coupons, so let's say you know you're not gonna go back to the store, so this coupon is most likely gonna go to waste. You can scan this coupon and it could post it on this platform as well for people near your area or people near those big shopping centers or those malls. And if they're there at that moment or if they're planning to go, then they can download that coupon and utilize it for themselves. That way, we are all saving some money, because that money, you're going to be saving a lot if everyone is able to continue using those coupons. So what do you think about this unique thought? And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you could get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just coupons, then you could too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye!